Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can swap your AVAX to BNB. It's quite easy to get this done. All you need to do is deposit your AVAX from any wallet that it's stored on into the centralized exchange known as Binance. With your Binance centralized exchange, you could simply swap it over to the BNB. To get this done, all you need to do is click on Binance. Once it's opened, click on the deposit option, search for AVAX. Once you found the AVAX, deposit it in any of these networks here. And upon doing that, the AVAX would then be shown in your wallet section. But before you can get any of this done, you're going to need an account on Binance. And if you do not have an account on Binance, by using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify your account. So guys, with the verified account, head over to the wallet section at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, you're dropped at the overview, which houses all of your crypto. Scroll from the overview to the spot or funding, depending on where your AVAX is stored. And as you can see, I've got some AVAX here. In order to convert this AVAX to BNB, click on the home section, select the convert icon just here. Once you've selected the convert icon, where we have LSK, click on LSK and simply search for BNB. Click on the BNB option, enter the amount of AVAX you wish to convert and click on preview conversion. Once you've done this, you'll be able to convert your AVAX into the BNB. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.